Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now this case is made by Gooseberry. It's a jelly case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, now you can get this case from Amazon. It's the Gooseberry jelly case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Thin rubber case, black cover. It's got that silicone jelly type feel to it. Now, you got 9 colors here. I got the black one, but you got a clear, you got a green, red, blue, or pink, yellow. So lots of different colors to choose from. $8.99 on Amazon. All right, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, and here's the box that comes in. It's the black jelly case here. Not much branding on there. We go ahead and pull this out. All right, nothing much else in there. So you got a silicone case. It's shiny and it's slippery. Now I was hoping this might be a little sticky. Now it doesn't feel too slippery when you slide on the back, but we'll see once you put the phone inside. TPU, but the side's a little stiff, so that's probably good for fit. And you got your openings there, your buttons on the side, and your camera opening is raised up, so it should protect the camera there. And you got your mic openings. All right, now let's get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, here's the S21 Ultra. Let's put this inside. All right, now the fit, it fits good. It's a nice snug fit. Now you got the lip is raised up a little bit, it's a slight raise. So and the sides come up, high enough to protect the glass if you drop it. Screen protectors might be a challenge on this now, but I would be careful with the front as well, so it doesn't come up too high, but it's high enough, I think. Now you got your openings for your charging port. You got the mic opening right there. You can see the mic right there. It's big enough for the mic, and then you got your speaker right there. Power button, that works okay, and you got your volume down rocker right there. Now the camera is protected. This does come above the camera, so you're going to be protected there. And it kind of brings a lip over the camera too, so that's pretty cool. No feet on the back, so this will be touching the surface, so it might get scratched. But other than that, feels good in the hand for the most part. It's not as slippery as I thought it was going to be. It's a little sticky, so it's not too bad. Let's see. It does slide though. Yeah. All right, but let's go ahead and check out wireless charge and see how this works. Okay, so we got the wireless charger right here. Let's go ahead and put it on. So the charging comes up, no problem. Now you can see one of the things you're going to have is fingerprints on the back of this device, so it's going to get mushy when you are using this device. This case. So you got to be aware of that if you purchase this. But if you like shiny cases, that piano black look, this is going to be the one for you. All right, nice and thin. Okay, so that was a quick look at the Gooseberry case for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. It's a jelly case, a silicone case, slim. It's got a little bit of grip, not too slippery, but it does get fingerprints. All right, so you got to be aware of that. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.